welcome to this video where I walk you through an exciting project using the Marvel API to create a simple superhero search app. So if you are a fan of Marvel Universe and love coding, this is the perfect combination both words. So let's start. So here is a quick demo of the Marvel API app. So you can type the name of special character. You will get the detailed information. So suppose you are searching for the Iron Man. So Iron Man is there and submit the button. So there is showing this your uh, special Marvel fan. Okay. So here is a quick demo of the Marvel API app. You can type in the name of, you will provide autocomplete suggestions. So if you search for Iron Man, then you can see that autocomplete suggestions. Once you select the character, you will get the detailed information such as their name, image, and brief description. So let's see how it works and under the hood. So basically, our project consists of three main files: index.html and style.css and script.js. So let's start by looking the index.html. So this step of uh, structure of our app a input box for searching, a submit button, and display area of character informations. So the HTML is a pretty straightforward. We have searched the input of submit button and two div to display the result, one for the character details. So I have linked the Google fonts. I have linked the Google fonts for some styling, and we are also loading the crypto.js library, which will be crucial later and when we make API request to the Marvel API. So the HTML is a pretty straightforward. We have search input, a submit button, and two div and display the result. So now let's look at the style.css. Okay, and here is using the pop-ins for here is a using pop-ins font for clean modern look. The container is centered and styled with the red background to the match the Marvel theme. And we have also applied the custom styles to the search input and submit button and the character card that appears when you search for a hero. So we have also styled the autocomplete hover effect to make the suggestion inactive. So now we are exciting now we are the exciting part, the JavaScript. The power of functionally of our app in is script.js. So we start by defining the public and private API keys, and these keys are used to authenticate our request to Marvel API. So to make a valid request, Marvel API requires MD5 hash, which is generated by crypto.js library. So we create the hash by combining a timestamp, the private key, and the public key. So we have also added the event listener to the search input where so when the user type we query the Marvel API for characters whose name start with the input value. The results are displayed as a clickable suggestion in a drop down. So when the user click the submit button, we make another API request to fetch the full details of the selected character. So this include the character image, name, and description, which we then display in the result container. So we dynamically build a card with the information. If no description is available, we show a placeholder message. So one important feature is in our app is error handling. If there is an issue with the API request or if no characters are found, the app will display error message